How to fix Facebook stories could not load? Please try again later. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Facebook or Facebook Lite application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Next thing, you have to make sure that your internet connection is working properly, and if it's not, switch it to the mobile data, and if you're using mobile data, you can try switching to your Wi-Fi. To make sure that the Facebook application is updated, you can open your Play Store, click on the search bar in the bottom, and then type in Facebook application. Once you find it, tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open button highlighted in blue color, tap on it to update it to its latest version available. Now come back, open your settings, scroll down and go to apps. From here, you can search for Facebook application. Once you find it, scroll down and go to storage and then click on clear cache and also click on clear data. But remember that clearing the data will also delete your settings, accounts and databases, so you have to be very careful regarding that. Come back and try force stopping this application and re-enable it again. And make sure that you have allowed the app permission. After that, try uninstalling the application on your device and then reinstall it using Play Store. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.